What's up, guys? Day 2 at the gym. Me and Nikita over here. Nikki, brah. It's good, mate. It's early in the morning, guys. We both got like shit sleep, especially this guy, because he had to take a train to pick me up. So we're hella sleepy.
For like 2 hours max.
So if we lift a single weight, it's already impressive. Here at McFit in Cologne, Germany. Not too many people here, but let's get it.
Squats in Germany. So I load up 3 plates per side. Decided I was going to do 5 sets of 8. Since this is kilograms, it's a little bit less than 315. It's probably around 310 or so. Top left is the first set, top right is the second, bottom right is the third, and then the bottom left is the fourth set. Pretty good day, even though I only got maybe, it felt like between 4 or 5 hours of sleep. This particular day we're going to go to Paris, so we had to, we're in a little bit of a time bind. At this time, Chris and Kelsey were at the hotel, I guess just getting ready. I don't know, they were actually getting a rental car during this period of time, and we were going to meet them outside. But, you know, even though I'm on the road, still making sure to get in some good workouts. 5 sets of 8 with 315-ish. It's a really nice workout. If I was at home and, you know, I was going to go for like a heavier sets of 8, it'd probably be 10, 11, or maybe even 12 rep sets. If I really wanted to push myself, but for me, 5 sets of 10 with 315 and around that weight, it's a nice workout, and you don't absolutely beat yourself up. For me, it puts in quite a good amount of volume. So you know, in the future, if I am going to be doing lighter or, you know, less load on my squats, I do like the 10 rep range, to be honest. I'm really a big fan of that on squats. I'm not really a big fan of the 15 to 20 rep range on squats, just simply for cardiovascular reasons, and it's just not a big fan of it. But there's lots of other exercises where I do like doing 15 rep sets. Like quite a few of the pushes, I like 15 rep sets, and a lot of arm movements, I'm cool with 15 rep sets. After that, did lunges, which I will speed up here. And yeah, there you go.
Alright, guys, we're on the road to Paris, France now. Post-workout meal. Homemade tuna sandwich. Tuna and egg sandwich by my boy right here. He's so tired. He was at the gym and he could barely like move. He could barely keep his eyes open.
All I was doing is like re-racking your weights. It was my workout.
He just gave
enough though.
He gave up.
I'm so tired. I like slept like for 2 hours max.
Yeah, I feel bad. I tried to convince him to go to sleep, but
I took a caffeine pill. It had no effect. Like.
No. All right, taking a little quick stop, quick break in France, real quick. About halfway on the road. Halfway through, tried to take a nap in the car. It kind of worked. Not really sure. I don't know. I think you were out for a little bit. Yeah, I was out for a little bit. You gotta pay to go to the bathroom because the bathroom is really clean and maintained, and it costs to maintain that shit. A handful of hours later, it looks like we are entering, I guess, the city, sort of.
This guy on the bike just in the middle of these lanes.
You can see it. It's just
oh, dude, the Philippines, man,
it's even crazier than that shit. Like, this dude's a pussy.
I don't know what the fuck. Look at this fool! Look at this fool! Look at this fool! He's like, there's plenty of walking space here.
Fuck, dude.
Holy shit. Come. Oh, we just found parking in Paris. It's crazy. My face looks leaner too. Look at this. We found parking. Sweet. About to go up the Eiffel Tower, guys. Here's a view from side street. I swear this guy better be bomb as fuck. He's in the presence of the building.
I think it was 1889.
Oh my gosh.
What are these for?
Huh? I thought it was the wine. Yeah, it's for the stairs, but they're elevators.
Why do people go on the stairs? Wanted to jump off. You know?
Yeah, but so.
Wow, I kind of want a smart car now.
No, you don't, dude.
No, I don't. Like for suburban California, it's like, yeah, it's like pointless.
Yeah. You can't, like, friends don't let friends get.
Oh.
Guys, it's time to eat. I've got some French onion soup right here. I also got some chicken coming up pretty soon. These guys got their food. Wait a little while for it, but it should be pretty good. I'll let you know. Main dish, bruh. No offense. Restaurant called
Bistro.
No offense, Bistro de Tour Eiffel. The best thing on this table is the ketchup. Right?
I wouldn't even go that far. Don't even use the word best.
We're starting to climb the Eiffel Tower. Let's do it. It's gonna be a long way up, but it's a nice long cardio session. Yeah. Alright guys, we're on level 1 right now.
What is this? Are these the original cars?
Wow. Holy.
Then it's about the same. Elevator's coming.
Bruh. We're taking the elevator down because we're lazy as hell. We're saying goodbye now to this fucking tower. Bye. Cheers.
Your food was shit.
Can you film this, bro?
The camera on my phone is better than that thing now. Jeez. It sucks.
What the fuck is going on?
Strong arc of the
Follow
gods.
them.
I just drove like 1.5 to 2 hours from Paris towards Germany. We still got quite a bit left. So fucking sleepy right now. I'm so tired. I'm gonna have Chris drive for a little bit. Hopefully, if he's down, I'm gonna take a nap in the car while he's driving. Yeah. Hey, quit being a little bitch!
Ogus cake!